For guided practice today, you will have to copy down a few vocabulary terms. So I need you to pause the screen and write down each term in your notebook. The first term, we have events, a thing that happens, especially one of importance. Pause the screen, write it down, and then come back. Next, we have procedures, a series of actions conducted in a certain order. Next, we're going to differentiate between procedures and events. I want you to know that events happen in a story. They're typically the important things that happen in a story. Procedures are a list of events or a list of steps that you have to take. Usually, you can find some type of sequence. They're usually written in sequence, and they are either telling you how to do something or telling you step by step instructions. Next, I need you to write the numbers 1 through 3 under your vocabulary terms or set of that should be listed in some type of instructions on making something. That's a step. Letter B is not a procedure. For number 2, we are looking for an event. We are looking for the one that tells a major event or detail that could occur in the story. So is it A, Abraham Lincoln became president in 1860? Or is it B, Abraham was a kind man? Which one shows an important event that could happen in the text? Or again, I'm going to read it. A, Abraham Lincoln became president in 1860. B, Abraham was a kind man. I want you to write your answer for number 2. You're going to write letter A if you think A shows an event, or letter B if you think B tells an event. If you think A, Abraham Lincoln became president in 1860 is an event, I would like for you to clap twice. Okay. If you think B, Abraham was a kind man is an event, I would like for you to clap twice. The correct answer is A. A tells an event. So for this last card, you're actually going to have to write the word events or the word procedures on the line. I'm going to read the card and you're going to tell me if you feel like this tells an important event from a story, write the word events for number 3. If you feel like it's telling you step-by-step instructions, write the word procedures for number 3. It says steps on how to do something. Have a proper sequence. Is that describing events or procedures? Pause the screen and write your answer. If you think the card is explaining some form of event or some type of event, clap twice. Okay. If you think it's a procedure or it tells step-by-step instructions, clap twice. This is a procedure. Next, you'll be moving on to your independent practice. You will need your notebook and you will have to write down your answers in the notebook.